You are standing on a cracked sidewalk with a sleeping toddler and a choice that feels surprisingly heavy. Do you stick with the legendary workhorse everyone loves, or do you pay extra for the shiny new version sitting right next to it? This is the ultimate showdown between a longtime favorite and its brand new successor. Both of these strollers are built for the parent who refuses to slow down. They're designed for everything from crowded city streets to rugged dirt trails. You get massive wheels and a suspension system that absorbs every bump and root in your path. The legacy version has been the gold standard for years. It is known for being incredibly reliable and remarkably smooth. It features a front wheel that swivels for quick turns but locks tight when you need to pick up the base for a run. The one-hand fold is a total lifesaver when you are trying to load the trunk while holding a wiggly child. Now, look at the updated model. It takes that same successful formula and adds a layer of polish. It is not a complete overhaul of the design. Think of it more as a luxury refinement. The seat recline is improved for better naps on the move. The sun canopy offers more coverage and better protection from the elements. It feels a bit more premium in the hand. However, the price tag reflects those upgrades. This is where you have to be honest about your needs. The older model is often much cheaper now and still offers nearly identical performance. You are getting the same lightweight frame and the same effortless push. For many people, those small comfort upgrades on the newer version might not justify the extra cost. The legacy model is still a powerhouse that holds its own against anything else on the market. If you are a heavy user who wants the absolute best comfort for your child, the new edition is the way to go. It is technically the better stroller because of those refinements. But if you want the best value, the older version is still a total winner. It is rare to see a product stay so competitive after a new version comes out. It proves just how much they got right with the original design. You are not losing out on core features by sticking with the classic. You are just being smart with your budget. Whether you choose the refined newcomer or the proven veteran, you are getting a top-tier experience. It simply comes down to whether those extra bits of polish are worth the premium to you. Both will handle the mud and the mines with ease. One just does it with a little more flair, while the other does it with a lot more value. Make your choice based on how often you will truly hit the trails. Your legs and your wallet will thank you either way. Every parent knows that the right gear makes or breaks an outing. These all-terrain machines are built to make sure you never have to struggle with the terrain. They glide over grass and gravel like it is nothing at all. The frame is light enough that you do not feel like you are pushing a heavy tank, yet it is sturdy enough to last for years. If you find the legacy version at a great price, grab it and do not look back. You are getting world-class engineering for a bargain. If you want the peak of modern stroller comfort, the update is waiting for you. Either way, you are winning.